Hello and welcome back to the Leander98 channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at this modified Nissan March, also known as a Kaira M13 Stage 2, on an X-Mods Evolution chassis. This is not an OEM body, it was custom made just for this chassis. Even though this has a 2024 plate on it, it's still a 2023 model as it was made last year. I just ran out of paper plates to stick onto these. But this was printed in one piece in my Anycubic Photon Mono X, printed in this orientation that you see here. Other than the wing mirrors and that spoiler, those were the only overhangs that you have to worry about.
The chassis being used in this video is going to be dubbed the Super Compact chassis, as it is a 90mm chassis with a 65 Mustang front clip. This allows cars with super short front ends and super short chassis to be able to fit on an RC car chassis. So we'll end up taking it for a little spin. There isn't any OEM bodies that go along with this chassis setup, so we got 4 custom ones to show off, 2 brand new ones and 2 old ones. So how about we go for a drive?
This episode of Body Show Reviews isn't sponsored, but I would like to give a shout out to a brilliant artist known as Hakasuka Works. Based out of Australia, he makes his living creating your dream ride in nostalgic cel-shaded graphics. We found each other through this Seiko XS that he has created here, and I myself even got the Gina Special and asked for the City Turbo from Midnight Club 2. He offers commissions starting at 125 USD. Maybe just interested in seeing his museum of cars? Give his Instagram or Twitter a look at Hakasuka Works.
Let's go!
Oh, I gotta get a fast lap here. Ooh. Go on. Oh. Whoa! Did I hit the brake? God. Come on, get your bearings. Seriously, it's cooking. Holy cow! We understeer, we hit that bank, and then we're really done. Oh, we took out. Oh no, there's a flag on the track. Disgraceful. Oh crap. Okay, I missed the flag. Oh, that bank. This car's a little too nimble for that bank. it. Do a little pace lap here. I apologize, little American flag. Good! Alright, let's take a look at the timesheet. As we see, we did a best of 8.109, which, if I am not mistaken, was faster than the R50 Mini that we did last episode, but still slower than the brand new JCW. This could be due to the fact that this has a little bit more of an aerodynamic front, so it can turn a little better. Not to mention, we didn't wreck towards the end every single lap, nor the finish. Granted, I did have a take of this before the filming that you guys see, and I literally wrecked the second corner into one of the gingerbread houses, and that was just disgraceful. So we cut that out. Other than that, we completed 27 laps with a median of 8.95. So that's pretty good. Alrighty, I'll see you in the next one. One last thing before we close here on this video. If you like the cars that you saw in this video, take a look at the link down in the description. It'll take you to my Cults 3D page where you can download the STL file for just $1. That $1 will get you a dummy chassis and the body in resin printing and FDM plastic printing as well. Just say so that you can print it whether or not you have a plastic printer that you want to use for racing, or maybe you got a resin printer that you want to use extra detail for. Either way your taste, you can download the car that you saw in this video today on my Cults 3D page that's down in the link in the description below. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you're new, subscribe for more RC driving content here. That's quite a few different things that we do on this channel here, so I apologize if it's never one exact thing. Until next time, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. Let's go! Oh, I gotta get a fast lap here. Ooh. Go on. Oh. Whoa! Did I hit the brake? Oh my god. Come on, get your bearings. The camera's slightly crooked, Nancy. Holy cow! We understeer, we hit that banking, then we're really just gone. Come on. Oh, we took out. Oh no, there's a flag on the track. Disgraceful. Oh crap. Try to miss the flag. Oh, that bank. This car's a little too nimble for that bank. Come on, how can't I hit a time? What? Oh. And that's it. Do a little pace lap here. I apologize, little American flag.